Then Nathan, wash some other spaces now. I'm washing some.
Careful not to wet him.
I know.
What you doing, Nathan?
Okay.
Huh?
Nathan, would you like to do the hose? Would you like to do the hose, Nathan?
You want to swap with Mikey?
Nathan, you want to swap? You could do the hose. Nathan, you want to do the hose? Nathan. Yeah, Nathan. Yeah.
Oh my God, don't touch the hose part with the car, okay? Good job. Okay, you're getting a big old mess. Over here with the bubbles. Good job, Mikey. Dip it in the bucket too.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get some water.
What you doing, Nathan? Huh?
Trying to wash the car. I think trying to wash the car.
Cool. Thank you, guys. Y'all are great helpers. You know that?
Okay. Well, Mom, remember you have to pay me and Nathan $1.
$1? Okay. That sounds like a steal of a deal to me. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, Nathan. Bye, Nathan.
Bye.